First introduced on the 2024 GMC Sierra 1500, AEV editions are now available across the GMC truck lineup, underpinning the brand's focus on delivering premium, advanced, and authentically capable trucks in North America. The 2024 Canyon AT4X AEV Edition takes the power and versatility of the Canyon AT4X to new heights with an even more assertive stance. Enhanced hardware and further upgrades to the vehicle chassis, including the 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires with an additional AEV in-bed vertical spare tire mount, updated front fascia and larger fender flares to enable larger, wider tracks and ultra-high 12.2-inch ground clearance, 4.5-inch factory-installed lift 1.5-inch. The addition of 3 standard auxiliary control switches which enable the integration of off-road and overlanding accessories, exclusive AEV beadlock-capable Salta wheels, AEV branding across the vehicle, including on bumpers, embroidered head restraints, and all-weather floor liners. With a more assertive lift and new AEV hardware, the 2024 Canyon AT4X AEV Edition can now achieve a 38.2-degree front approach angle, a 26.9-degree breakover angle, and an optimized 26-degree departure angle. These bumpers are designed for serious off-road action, featuring integrated heavy-duty cast rear recovery points and front winch capability, while providing excellent durability and corrosion resistance. The rear bumper also features removable corners intended for easy removal and reinstallation when hitting the trails. Canyon continues to bolster its suite of advanced technology. Now for the 2024 model year, Canyon's Baja Drive mode, available exclusively on the Canyon AT4X and AT4X AEV Edition. Additionally, all 2024 Canyons will be able to add new features and software updates over time with the introduction of GM's Úpdated platform. Úpdated is GM's new end-to-end vehicle software platform that enables the delivery of features and services to customers over the air, meaning these off-road aids can be updated and new experiences can be added in the future. The next generation Canyon is produced at GM's Wentzville Assembly in Wentzville, Missouri. The 2024 Canyon AT4X AEV Edition is expected to be available for customer orders later this year.